In this video, we want to point out a few things that if you understand them and watch for them can make you unlimited amount of wealth. The thing you would need to be looking for is change. What is changing? What is moving on this chart? Well, the thing that happens is when you have the price bars go above or below a moving average, when the bottom indicators are either crossing a zero line or changing colors, or changing different shapes or patterns. Those are all movements. Those are things that are happening. When do they take place? At the formation of a new time frame. When you have a new time frame forming, whether it's a day, 4 hour, 15 minute, 1 minute, that is new information. That's movement. That's change in the market. That's where you should be looking. So what would be looking for once again? Cross of zero lines, moving up, patterns forming. Those are all movements in the market that causes survival in the currency market, is observing the changes, being aware of what's taking place in the market. You can watch changes on a day in a 4-hour time frame, but it takes an awful long time. Another way of trading is find the direction of the day in the 4-hour charts and then trade in that direction, timing your entries on a smaller time frame. Let me mark a few of the changes so you can see what might be taking place. That's a change that I'd be looking for, is this filter indicator. That's one change. That's another change. That's a change. Now notice that those are changes that are happening. This is the 15-minute chart we're looking at here. So let's look up here. This first change, possibly, if you'd watched it and traded it properly, there was over 50 pips. Well, maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you want to wait till it crosses here. Okay, there's 30 some odd pips, so you could have taken out a good trade right there. Here's another change. From here down to here was 55 pips, so you could have taken out 20 or 30 pips there. Here was a change. Went up over 67 pips, and so you could have taken out a piece of the market right there. So just watching for these things to change, observing what's happening. That's the survival of the fittest in trading, is when something's happening. So if this looks like it's something that would be of interest to you in helping you to reach your trading goals, send an email to jed@forexstrategysecrets.com and ask for a pass to visit our PIP Club, which is our trading room. This is where you can watch this system in action and follow along. If you like that, then you can ask for a free copy of the course, but you need to come first to the PIP Club, then ask for a free copy of the course, and then you can watch the videos to see how it works. So what we're trying to do is let you see it, see how it works, then decide whether it's going to be something that would be of interest to you before you ever decide to get involved. So I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the PIP Club and trading with you, and hope we'll be able to have some successful trades together.